What is going on, everyone? This is Raphael from SelfMade Profits. And if you're looking for a way to earn some extra income from home, you're looking for some flexibility, you've come to the right place, guys. Today I'll be going over 5 side hustles that pays very well in 2018. If you haven't done so, guys, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I put out content like this, just to help you make money from home. With that being said, guys, the first one that you want to definitely try is Uber. Okay, so with Uber, basically what you'll be doing is giving rides out to, people that's looking for rides around the city. So you basically get paid from that, guys. What you do is you'll install that Uber app on your phone, and or you can do it with Lyft also. You'll install the app, and every time someone needs a ride, they'll go ahead and request a ride through the app. And if you're the nearest person to them, that your app will start ringing, then you'll be able to go pick them up. Okay, so you do earn some good money from doing Uber and Lyft. Also, you can always do it on the weekends, which is probably one of the best times because everybody's going out around that time. So you can definitely earn some really good money working with Uber or Lyft. Okay, so when you're ready to get started, you just come on the website. You can click sign up here. They'll ask you a few questions, some information, and then that way you can go ahead and get started. It's the same thing here with Lyft also. You can come here and request, to get started, and then they'll allow you to get started here. Also, with Lyft, it's a little bit better because Lyft can actually allow you to rent a car. So you rent the car through Lyft, and you'll get a discount doing so. So that way you don't have to spend too much money, and you can basically rent the car, drive for the week with Lyft, and make money with Lyft. Okay, so definitely check that one out. Now the next one is called Amazon Flex, and with Amazon Flex, basically what you'll be doing is delivering packages. So with Amazon, they usually have an overflow of packages that needs to be delivered, and you can do that in your town. Okay, as you can see here, you get paid somewhere from $18 to $25 an hour. If you click on the get started, you're gonna see here, it's gonna basically show you most of the cities that Amazon Flex is delivering in right now. So if it's not in your city, it should be there very soon. If it is in your city, then you're good to go. You can go ahead and get started. You just click the get started button, and you'll be able to go to fill out the application and be able to get started with them. Okay. Now the next one is called Fiverr. Now if you want to do some freelance type work, anything that you're good at, whether it is graphics and design, or digital marketing, writing and translation, video and animation, music and audio, programming and tech, business, fun and lifestyle, you can come here and basically work with Fiverr. Okay, so Fiverr basically is a platform where you go ahead and put out your services. So if you're good at making YouTube thumbnails, you'll come here on Fiverr, and you'll put down that you're good at making YouTube thumbnails. And whoever needs those thumbnails will come here and hire you, and you get to charge them a fee for that. Now, the reason why it's called Fiverr is because they used to just allow you to charge $5, but you can always upsell on these. You can basically add extra services and get paid more. So you can definitely get paid more than $5 for doing this. All right. Also, you can come to Upwork. It's basically like Fiverr, but just a little bit better, a little bit more advanced. And you do get paid more. I believe there's more competition on here also, but you do get paid pretty well doing Upwork. As you can see, they have a lot of different tasks that you can do, and you definitely get paid for that. Okay. Now the next one you can do is you can become a tutor online. There's a lot of people that struggling in their their schoolwork, and they need that extra help, and they'll come on here and basically have sessions with tutors, and that could be you. You can be on here. You can definitely be getting paid for tutoring people if you're good at like algebra, science, anything like that. You can come on here, tutor people, and get paid for it. Now the good thing about it is that this is basically 24/7, so you can make this full-time income here. You can sit here and basically tutor people all day and get paid pretty well doing so, and be able to pay your bills, be able to do anything that you want. So basically this can replace your job, your daytime job here. Okay, so definitely come on this website, check it out, read the testimonials. If you have any questions, go to the bottom, check out the FAQ, and that way you'll know more and you can get started. Okay. Now the next one is called Kindle Direct Publishing, And basically what you'll be doing here is selling published ebooks. And you'll just create the ebook depending on what you're good at. So say you're good at financing or business, you'll create an ebook geared towards financing. And then you can go ahead and put it on the website here. And this will sell for itself. So it says here you earn up to 70% royalty on the sales to the customers. So basically you'll be making passive income. You'll create that ebook one time and you put it on the website here, and you'll definitely be making money from it over and over again. So this is one of the best ways to earn passive income. Also, another trick to this is that if you're not good at writing ebooks, you can come on Fiverr or Upwork and you can have somebody go ahead and write the ebook for you. As you can see, it says writing here. So somebody can come and write the ebook for you for $5 to $15, and you can come here on Kindle and sell that ebook over and over again. So as you can see, it's a pretty good trick. You wouldn't need to write it yourself. Somebody would be doing the work for you. You pay them a small amount and you'll get paid a very huge amount over time just for that. And you can keep doing it over and over. So if you have another ebook you want to write, you go to Fiverr, have somebody write that. You go to Kindle, you post it on Kindle, and you would get paid over time for it. So it's a pretty good trick just to get paid with Kindle. Now, if you did enjoy the video, guys, please make sure you go ahead and leave a like. And also make sure you subscribe to the channel. I will be putting out more videos just like this to help you make money from home. And guys, stay blessed and become self-made today.